create a new design. Go to Uploads and upload the file you want to use. Drag the photo towards your canvas and resize it. Go to Apps and look for the Image Blender app. Select Blend Selected Image, and then choose Radial. You can move the points to adjust the position and size of the circle. You can also adjust the strength. When you're happy with the effect, save it. You can now find the image under Uploads. Go to Position. Then select Layers. Select the background layer. You can now adjust the background color. And that's how you place an image inside a circle.